Yo guys, today we're gonna fall coloring engagement rain. So by the way, it's just square box and some circle and some diamond. It's one diamond for the rain. For me, I'm just showing you now how to add colors. So I'm gonna choose the red for the diamond because I want it to look different, and something close to yellow for the second for your rain. And that's thing when you this thing beside, I'm gonna add something at same time it will be also red, but now I'm gonna choose something different like this, but you can choose any color you want. For the box or square, I'm gonna add something like this, close to yellow or anything, just to make it look you gonna give it to your future wife or fiance. So now for the background, I choose in the beginning green, but I didn't like it. I want blue because blue is less darker in this color, like it's look like sky. So I like it, and I will add some shadows now. By the way, for background, always choose another layer, and also for your art and for color other layers. It's also will be good if you have 3 or 4 layer. Okay, sorry for my voice because I'm just, like I said, I'm sick, so I record this 3 video and I want to share it with you because those are the last videos for following artwork, because I'm gonna start now drawing step by step, because we are community now, and we are 1000 subscriber now, and I want to thank you for supporting my artwork. It's my passion, so thank you a lot, and I hope you enjoy my videos, and I hope you hit that like and share, and see you on another video. And that's it. It's look good.